today we're off to see a Volvo that's been cut in half. And so here it is, perfectly cut. I've never seen a straighter cut before. I wouldn't have liked to have been the one doing it. But yeah, absolutely crazy. So can you guess why? Let me show you. What do you reckon to this, guys? Now that's what you call a trailer. I probably actually should have done this with that 240 wagon that I've got, that rusty one, that rotten one. I can't wait to see this actually on the road, hooked up to another 940. I mean, what could be better than a 940? 1.5 940s. Yeah, a lot of work went into this. The welding's perfect. Everything's like, it's so good, it looks factory. Really cool. Okay, so there we go, total transformation. Yeah, compared to how it was before, it's really great to see some shine on her now. Yeah, it really made a huge difference to the overall look of the car. Yeah, it turned out to be quite an expensive job, because as you saw, the camera took a nosedive because of the wind. So that was £500 down the drain. Yeah, and with the cost of the bonnet and the fuel to get here, which is obviously a lot because it's a Volvo, so like really a lot of money. I think it's still worth it though. I mean, look at it, it looks great. Yeah, I mean, she needs a good wash, but yeah, like just actually starting to really come together now. So yeah, really happy with that. So we've got the inspection tomorrow, the dreaded German inspection, so fingers crossed for that. We'll see what the mechanic man has to say to us, probably a lot. But yeah, thanks for watching.